Good morning, good day. Welcome to BMS Crypto Channel. So today we're going to be talking about blockchains. That's layers of blockchains. We're going to specifically be talking about one blockchain today, and that is going to be talking about the Cosmos blockchain, which is layer zero. So we're going to start from the layer 0 to layer 1, then to layer 2s and layer 3s. We actually have layer 3s now. So we're going to start from the layer 0. So the first layer 0 we have is the Atom, which is the Cosmos blockchain. This is it. Cosmos blockchain is the Cosmos network. Is the first layer 0 we have on blockchain. And what it means to be a layer 0, it means that you are like a space where other blockchains can be built on. Okay, let's take for instance that you are an internet gives room for every other stuffs to be built on it. Facebook, anything, Telegram, Instagram, everything works on internet, right? So but that's an overview explanation. When it comes to Cosmos, it's a layer 0. It means it allows other blockchains to build themselves on top of it, right? Let's explain the internet of blockchains, right? This is it. So it gives the utility. You can see CRO is built here, Ethereum, Binance, and Cosmos expanding the ecosystem of interconnected apps and services built for a decentralized future. So it has about 62 billion digital assets under management. This is serious money. 263 apps and services and growing. So it's the home of most other blockchains, So we're going to explore it. The token for Cosmos, each blockchain has their own particular token that engineers the whole ecosystem they're using for governance. I'll still explain what governance is, but that token they have is their major utility tool that you use to pay for services in the blockchain, right? So if a blockchain issues a token, we're still going to talk about that. It means that this token is the utility token for them. That's what they are like using to access their services. And sometimes those token pump, sometimes those token do well a lot. So let's check for CoinGecko. As you can see here, look at it. CoinGecko is where most of the coins are. The crypto coins, any coin you want to search, just go to CoinGecko, use the search bar, you will see the coin, right? So you learned out today. And then I'm going to go here and look at the search bar here. So the name for this coin here, Cosmos blockchain, the name of the coin is what? Atom. You can see it, get Atom. Do you understand? So you can build marketplace on them, secured by the Atom. Atom is the token. In return of security services on Cosmos, so transaction fees and staking rewards are distributed to Atom stakers. So Atom, I will still talk about what staking, but first of all, Atom is the token for this blockchain. Okay, so when we come here, we'll search for Atom. As you can see, this is the price of one Atom now at $12, and Atom went as high as $44 in January this year, and the lowest was $1 the price. So imagine you bought at this price and sold at this price. That's big profits though. But that's not the analysis we are going to make here. Let's explore the blockchain then. So we're going to explore the ecosystem and I'll show you. These are all apps that are building on Cosmos blockchain. A lot of these are building on the because they are layer 0, right? And this is Anchor, a microservice. This is a marketplace. A marketplace is where they sell some things like NFT, utilities, and stuff like that. Smart contract is used for interaction, payment services, or all that, right? This is microservices. Also, this is social apps, right? So Anchor protocol is a finance app. This is a privacy app. So these are all infrastructures that are building on what's it called, Cosmos. Now look at Binance chain is built on Cosmos. So many people don't even know that Binance is built on Cosmos. But the only issue is that the Cosmos have is that most of these tokens and chains and protocols they're allowed to build in them, they are not using Atom as a gas fee. They are not using Atom as a gas fee, because if all these protocols are using Atom as gas fee before you can interact on them, the price of Atom should be over $200 right now. Do you understand? Because it will create room for more utilities. A lot of people are going to be using Atom. Each of these protocols here are going to be using Atom to interact on their chain. Look at Evmos is a smart contract, is a token also, and it's also a chain on its own, right? So it's very important that you understand all this. Now crypto.com, look at it. You must have heard of this crypto.com. It's a popular advert company. Like they do a lot of adverts on crypto, and then they are also a blockchain, CRO blockchain. They also have a token, right? So this is the all that's there are plenty. We cannot finish talking about all of them, like, right? So we're going to go to the futures and introduction of the blockchain, a whole universe of opportunity for token holders. They pioneer a new era in blockchain space by being the first public proof of stake blockchain built on top of a Byzantine fault tolerant consensus engine. Let me explain. They are the first blockchains. Proof of stake. Proof of stake consensus. I'm going to talk about consensus in the future, right? So that everybody is going to understand what I mean. So I'm gonna note it down so that I will talk about it. Since I said I'm going to talk about proof of stake, consensus, I also said I'm going to talk about when I was exploring this, I said I was going to also talk about how to make researches on tokens, right? So that's it. I'll still do videos on those particular stuff. So I think it's not part of my outline, but I'm gonna add it now. So staking is one of the major work of Cosmos blockchain, the proof of stake blockchain. They are the first proof of stake blockchain. So in that video where I'm going to dedicate it to proof of stake consensus, I'm going to explain what staking does and how it secure a blockchain and how people who does it get rewards. So this is Gravity DEX. It's just a place where you can swap like a DEX, like a decentralized exchange. The D is decentralized, the EX is an exchange, decentralized exchange. Gravity bridge, this is just a way to move token from one blockchain to another. So we're gonna still talk about bridges in the course of these classes. So it means moving token from one, but we're going to give different uh, bridges and all that. And chain name services, this is where we can have like EVMOS domain name services, Ethereum domain name services. But I will still explain that. Look, this is Cosmos network, and Cosmos network uses Kepler wallet. If you watch the video I did on wallet installation, I said Cosmos uses Kepler wallet for transaction. You cannot use MetaMask on Cosmos. That's what I was saying, that each particular blockchain has their own particular wallet that works with them. Do you understand? So here we go. If we go to, we're going to go to the DEX, decentralized exchanges that work here. Right? When I click on Gravity DEX, it's going to show me the DEX early access to innovation, leveling the DeFi playfield. Okay, I'm going to still talk about AMMs. These are automated market makers, but we'll dedicate this video. Full definition of automated market maker. Full definition of automated market makers. I will show you how a market is fully done. You'll be seeing trades. When you open your Binance, you'll be seeing movements of coins, prices, and that's people buying and selling, and I'll show you how it works, because that's the automated market makers. Okay, so we now go to the DEXES that works on Cosmos. When you click on Get Atom, what is Atom token? Let me show you. What is taking? Atom is the Cosmos hub's primary token and secures the hub's valuable interchain services. If you hold Atom, you can temporarily lock them up to contribute to the security of the Cosmos hub using a mechanism called staking. In exchange for locking your Atom, you receive rewards in newly minted Atom and the share of transaction fees that are collected by blockchains. What it means that if you have Atom and you are staking it means that you are locking it in a wallet. Locking it, just like fixed deposit in a bank. Though I'm going to give an explicit examples of staking and all in my video about staking. That's another tutorial. So you're going to be earning money from staking it. The same banking system, but fixed deposit. But I'm going to the cryptocurrency on is higher and the different and complete different, because bank, if they say 1 year, 1 year is 1 year, and you cannot touch that money. Even if you are dying, you can't touch that money until that 1 year finish. But in crypto, it's not the same thing. So look at DEXES on Cosmos Hub. This is the token. Let me show you. Look at it. Cosmos ecosystem. These are the whole coins here are the coins under Cosmos ecosystem. Any coin you see here is under Cosmos ecosystem, and I'm going to show you. This is Cosmos Atom. This is number 1 token, which is $12. This is Kronos, the CRO I was showing you that time. This is Terra, that one that dumped on people. This is Osmosis. This is Torchain. This is Evmos. This is Kava. This is Anchor Protocol. This is Juno. People must have heard of Juno. This is Secret. All these are tokens that are under Cosmos blockchain, right? And they were minted, and the protocol is on Cosmos blockchain. So So that's that about the tokens that are under it. You can make your research on each particular token and know what to buy. And still, we'll do a video on how to make researches on token and how to buy a token, how to know that a token is real or not. So let's go to the apps, the exchanges on Cosmos. So because before you can buy any of this Cosmos coin, you you can't see all of them on Binance. As you are here, most of them are not even on Binance. And the good thing sometimes is buying most of those tokens before they even get to Binance. That's when it gets to Binance, the price must have gone up. But it's not all of them that will still make it to Binance. Some of them will still die before they even get to Binance. So I'll still teach you how to make researches on those coins. Now, when we're talking about swaps, there are decentralized places where you can buy these tokens, right? So look at for Cosmos blockchain. If you have his Jota, write it down. Osmosis swap. This is Osmosis zone. You see that Osmosis is one of the coins here. Look here. Osmosis is here. And what they provide to the blockchain, they provide the swap DEX for the blockchain. So when you open a swap DEX like this, Interchain Liquidity Lab, the next thing is you see launch app. When you click on launch app, it will open the trading section for you. This is the trading section. This is swap. You swap, this is atom, you swap it to Osmosis. One atom to Osmosis. So this is pool. We're still going to talk about pool. This is assets, what you have in your wallet. Everything is 000 because this I've not even connected wallet. So when I click connect, I'm going to connect the wallet right away. So when I click on connect, it's going to show me Kepler. Remember we installed Kepler, right? I'll click Kepler. It's going to connect to Kepler. I will approve the transaction. Requesting connection. I will approve the transaction. And then it will connect. Have you understand that? So next thing we'll have is that the wallet is connected, but this wallet is 0. This is an empty wallet I'm using for these videos. This is the balance of the wallet. If I have any money here, I can see it. Then the next is swap. If I put one atom here, it will give me 11 osmosis. I will now click here. Bam, swap. But because I don't have any atom, it's saying insufficient balance. Once I click on it, it's a swap. And I'll just confirm the transaction on my wallet and boom, it goes. So this is not the only DApp or the only swap or DEX on Cosmos. We have other DEX. We have Juno swap. You can see it here. And look at here, we still have Juno here. Where's Juno? Look at Juno here. It has a token. So go back and click on it. This is Juno swap. Connect Kepler. Always remember that Kepler is for Cosmos blockchain. Look at it. Then you select any token you want to buy. Raw, Atom, BSG, Stars, Hawaii, Anchor, CMD. Most of these tokens you won't see it on Binance, but you can buy them as early as they are here. So whenever they go on Binance, when it pumps, you can make money. But this is just the decentralized buying platform. Most of this coin will still go to 0. If you buy it now, you might lose your money because not all of them will be successful, right? So we'll still do a video on how to like dish out coins that are going to be successful. So guys, I think this is another platform that is for using for swap on Cosmos. That's it on Cosmos blockchain, right? So we also have we have Gravity DEX and we have Gravity Bridge. Gravity DEX, look at Gravity DEX. See it. This is gravity bridge, blockchain unlock. So this is the bridge that works on Cosmos. This is the bridge you can use to move token from one place to another. So this is a bridge. So as Ethereum, you can move coin from Ethereum to Gravity network, which is under Cosmos. So if I connect my MetaMask, look at it. MetaMask is for Ethereum, remember. Then I connect my MetaMask. This is my MetaMask wallet. If I want to move coin from Ethereum to Kepler, which is Cosmos, and the coin I want to move is let me connect this first. This is Kepler. Now, as you can see, I have connected Ethereum to Kepler. I'll choose any token I want to bridge. Any token at all I want to bridge. Dollars, USDC, this is dollar. I'll say, okay, I want to move $100. When you type $100, it will just boom. Here we'll click, will show the amount, it show transfer. You click on transfer and it will go through, right? So I think I'm going to change this wallet and fund it so that I will put a funded wallet so we can be doing these transactions live. So you'll be seeing it, you confirm the transaction live on the video. So guys, I think that is that for Cosmos blockchain. You can read more on it, make more researches like developers charts, community charts, all that, right? Cosmos blockchain just launched their 2 version, their smart contract version 2. So in the long run, I won't say this is a review, but let's look out for it. So guys, I'll see you in the next blockchain. Thank you for having us. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Please subscribe. It's very important you subscribe and share it to your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.